Welcome to Allied Homes, presented to you by Allied Real Estate. I'm your host, Stephanie. In today's show, we have for you, our wonderful viewers, an interview with Miss Ruth-Ann Lacey from Proven Developments. After which, we have our ARC educational segment where we will be sharing with you a few ways that you can go about acquiring a property. Let's get into it.
Hi, I am Kenisha Hutchinson. Today on Featured Homes, we are joined with Miss Ruth-Ann Lacey, a passionate and solutions-oriented executive who has so far dedicated her career to calling for sustainable development in Jamaica. A trained urban and regional planner with a strong focus on development control. She is the head of business development at Proven Properties. Miss Lacey, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to be with us here today.
Thank you for having me, Kenisha.
Okay, so we are seeing proven signs all over Jamaica, different parishes. Tell us more about Proven Properties and tell us what they do.
So, Proven Properties is one of the Caribbean's premier real estate investment and development companies focused on developing a geographically diverse portfolio of real estate comprising not only residential as we sit here today, but also commercial and industrial and resort real estate assets.
Oh, that's amazing. I didn't know that you did commercial as well as industrial, you said?
Yes. So for commercial, I'm happy to speak on that one because that is our flagship project, which will be our headquarters, our home proven place, located on the corner of Lady Musgrave and Gladstone Drive. Of course, I'm a little bit biased, but it is a beautiful building, and I'm very excited for us to move in.
Oh, that's amazing. So just the Proven Properties Development Company will be there right now?
That will be the proven group of companies that will be homed at that building. So we're extremely happy about that.
Any other commercial units for rental or sale?
So in our portfolio, and we're about to break ground on that, and also extremely excited about that, is our Kingston Gateway project located on Marcus Garvey Drive. So that will be our introduction into the logistics sector. So in Jamaica, we're already in the logistics sector in Cayman Islands. So we're very excited about that project as well.
Okay, so Jamaica and the Cayman Islands? Any other countries?
Not yet, but you'll find out.
Today we are sitting in a model unit, a Vista at Bloomfield in Mandeville, Manchester. Please tell us more about this unit and the development itself.
Well, you're sitting in one of our studio units at Avista at Bloomfield. This development features two-bedroom, one-bedroom units, as well as studio units. And in terms of amenity, which is exactly what our purchasers want to hear about, we have a clubhouse with a pool that I'm sure you'd have seen on your drive-in. There's a gym, there's a conference area. It's just really a beautifully designed building with several communal spaces for people to work from home, which, is still a big thing happening right now. And just for people to, relax.
Will there be short-term rentals available or just long-term rentals and sales?
That's a great question. This development is going to allow short-term rentals. And I think it's an exciting prospect for the investor-minded purchaser to know that this is an option that's available to them. Like every other development, though, there are going to be rules and regulations that would guide that to ensure, the property values are maintained.
So now that we've given a lot of information about the properties, tell us, how can we get in touch with you if someone wants to view, if they want to come into a model unit, if they want to purchase? Or are you going to be doing rentals? How do we contact you?
You can contact us on our website, Proven Properties Ltd, or social media, or call the office, or just drop in at 7 Hayden Road and we'll be happy to give you information on our products that are available here.
Okay, so based on your experience, how has real estate changed or has been changing in Jamaica?
So just like every other industry in Jamaica, real estate has gone through an evolution and it will continue to evolve. And that has no limitations. I mean, the purchaser's profile, there are more Gen Zers who are purchasing. We have more people coming. We're in Mandeville, and one of the things, Mandeville is the returning of the diaspora to Jamaica. And an interesting thing about Jamaica is that in our history we have never had depreciation of property values. So Jamaica continues to have incredible appreciation rates. And an interesting that would have happened is over the last 3 years, the property values in other tropical climates, let's say Florida, has skyrocketed, and Jamaica has become a prime area for investors from overseas to want to own a piece of the rock, to want to have sand, sea, sun. And so it's an exciting time for Jamaica real estate. It's an exciting time for
I can see that.
where it's an exciting time for us. And talking on sun, sea, and sand, our Baharia runaway development that we launched in March, it's going. We're happy about that, but it's an exciting development because it's our first development where we have a mix of villas, townhomes, and condominiums, and it's located just across the road from the Cardiff Hall Beach.
So we are standing here on one of the balconies at Avista at Bloomfield, Mandeville, Manchester. And we are here with Head of Business Development, Miss Ruth-Ann Lacey. Is there anything else that you would like to share with us about Proven Properties?
Well, thank you for having Proven Properties, Kenisha. It has been an honor for us to be here with you today and for you to share in this beautiful development. For our future purchasers, we continue to recommend real estate as an excellent option for building out your investment portfolio. And to contact us, Proven Properties Ltd is our website, and you can search for us on all socials. So we're just excited.
I'd like to thank you and Proven Properties for being a part of Featured Homes, and we wish you and Proven Properties continued success in Jamaica and elsewhere and all your future endeavors. That's it, another insightful and informative episode of Featured Homes. I am Kenisha Hutchinson. Remember, you are the controller of your own destiny.
We'll be right back.
We are delivering this luxurious vehicle with this beautiful home, a part of Allied Real Estate and Atlas Motors Home and Auto. One loan, two assets.
Island Oils, authentic Jamaican
Pure castor oil. For your supply, call 876-593-8007. Island Oils, authentic Jamaican pure castor oil.
Crown to Soul online store selling female clothing, swimwear, lingerie, skincare, and hair care products, among other things. To order, call or message 876-360-4878. Follow us on all social. Innovative, original, informative. Learn more about mortgages, rentals, laws governing real estate. Tune into Allied Homes, an Allied Media production presented by Allied Real Estate. Your dreams, our passion.
Welcome back. Now we have our ARC educational segment with yours truly. A lot of persons may think that NHT is the only option they have when acquiring a piece of property, but that is simply not so. There are so many other options out there, and this includes but is not limited to mortgages from commercial banks and credit unions, raw cash, and also a vendor's mortgage, or a combination of a few of these options. I will briefly explain each so you have a better understanding of the terms. First, we have raw cash. Of course, you can use cash to purchase a property as long as the funds were acquired legally and is traceable, it will be accepted. Next, we have mortgages. Now, we did in fact go deeper into mortgages in one of our previous shows with Miss Nicola James from ARC Mortgage Consultants. However, we will dive into it a bit. A mortgage is a loan provided by either a commercial bank or a credit union where the loan itself is taken out against the property. In this case, the property itself is the security. There can also be a combination of NHT and selected banks where one will get the NHT rate for the NHT portion of the loan and the bank rate for the bank portion of the same loan. For more information on this, feel free to give us a call at 876-625-3836. That's 876-625-3836. And that is it for this episode of ArcEd. I'm your host, Stephanie. And that is it for this episode of Allied Homes. I'm your host, Stephanie. And remember, your dreams, our passion.